Hello and welcome. This is the video tutorial on the upgrade procedure for Data Domain and Data Domain Virtual Edition. The first step is to download the RPM file. You can do that by logging on to dell.com/support. Just search for Data Domain. Once there, select Model to DDoS. Then pick the code family. Here we're doing 7.7. Then on the Drivers and Downloads tab, pick the target code. We did 7.7.5.20. Hit download there. You'll be taken to the license agreement, and then you'll see the download options. Our next step is to upload the RPM file to the Data Domain GUI. First, log into the GUI using your sysadmin username and password. Next, head to the maintenance system area. You should take this opportunity to delete any old RPM files, like I'm showing here. Then simply select the package and hit OK. You may also consider uploading the RPM file via a network share. You simply have to mount the directory shown on the screen now, ddvar releases. The first phase of our pre-check is to verify the system and ensure it's ready for the upgrade. First, we'll log in. As you log in, you'll see the data domain version right there, 7.2.0.95. So now we'll check the serial number. System, show, serial, NO. Next, we'll check the host name. And then finally, we'll check the network settings, net show settings. It's a good idea to keep this handy for later. The mtree list command will help us to double check whether or not the data domain is a part of an IDPA system. We're looking for Avamar trees and ESSX.logs mtrees. So we'll pull it up here. So we'll go ahead and type in mtree list here. We don't see any of those listed Avamar or ESSX logs mtrees. That means we can move on. If you're not sure, or if you see those mtrees, please contact your system admin. You don't want to do this upgrade process on an IDPA system. Next, we'll run the HA status command. We need to be certain that the data domain is not part of a high availability pair, as that has a separate upgrade procedure. We expect to see that the command is not available on this node. And there we have it. We'll move on to checking the status of the system. Our first command will be alert show current. What we're looking for here are any alerts that might be related to hardware or maybe file system issues. In this case, we just see an alert for the mail server, which is safe to clear. So we'll just do alerts clear ID and then the ID shown in the output above. And there we go. The alerts are cleared. Next up, we'll run a series of commands to check the file system status, whether or not cleaning is running, if any data movement is happening, or if there are any network jobs. We'll stop those if we find any. Here we'll put files as status. It says it's enabled and running, but also lets us know that there's a cleaning going on. So we'll go ahead and say files sys clean stop. Yes. We don't have a whole lot going on in this DDVE, but we'll run through the commands. We'll check for data movement first. Data movement status. And there we see the cloud is not enabled. But if it was running, we would say data movement stop. Moving on. Cloud clean status. Similar result. We don't have cloud on. Cloud clean stop. We'll check for replication stats. 'Obviously, we don't have a restore. We'll check for replication stats. 'Obviously, we don't have a restore. 'Replication stats. 'Obviously, we don't have a restore. 'Replication stats. 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 ' And then we're checking the network jobs, NFS and CIFS. And we've got nothing running. Next up, we'll be checking the disk space, the disk state, and the reliability data. We'll run the df command here. We're looking at postcomp. Obviously, we have 100% available here, but all we need is 10%, so that's what you're looking for. As a reminder, the data domain is a passive storage device. That means if you need to free up some space, you'll need to talk to your backup application and expire data that way. Next up, we'll run disk show state. We are looking for any failed, reconstructing, copy, or absent state disks. If you find any of those, stop now and contact support. Next up, we'll do disks show reliability data. We don't have a lot to show you here, but what you're looking for at the end of the output is somewhere where it will say X amount of drives are behaving normally. This will also output all the drives with all the reallocated sectors on there. If you see any above 2000, contact support. They may be eligible for a proactive replacement that we can do before the upgrade takes place. And finally, we'll move on to the pre-upgrade reboot. First, we check to see the RPM files on the system with system package list. We see ours there, so we'll move on with the graceful shutdown. System reboot. Hit yes here, and the system will go down. Now we're ready for step 4, the upgrade. We'll be showing you how to do this on the CLI and the GUI. It's important to note that this does take some time. Our DDVE here is very bare bones, and it still took us about 30 minutes per upgrade. We've done a lot of work here to ensure that the upgrade goes smoothly, so please be patient and give it some time. It's very unlikely that the upgrade will get stuck. As we log in here, we'll check for alerts. Alerts show current. No active alerts. And then we'll check the file system status. File status up and running. And then we'll check df one more time to see we got enough space. And then we'll do system package list. We're going to do 7.7.5.20. So we'll copy that here. I'm going to do system upgrade, pre-check, and then paste the file name here. Then as the pre-check ends, we'll run the command again. Instead, we'll do system upgrade start with the same file name. There we go. The system will reboot during the upgrade process. While it's down, we recommend to open up a ping, and as soon as the system is back up, go ahead and log on and run system upgrade watch. Next, we'll show how to do the update on the GUI. First, you just need to log in. On the dashboard, you'll see that the file system is running right there, and we have 2 alerts. We know that those are the security user and the mail one, so we'll just clear those up. We'll fix those after the upgrade. Next up, go to System in Maintenance, pick the target code, do the upgrade pre-check, and then once that finishes, you'll do the actual upgrade. As soon as you see the login button here, the upgrade is technically finished, so we'll move on to the post check. We'll be doing this in the CLI. You know the drill by now. We'll do alert show current. Nothing unexpected there. File system status is up and running, and capacity looks the same. Next, we'll move on to services. We're going to do a few examples here, but of course you know your environment better than we do, so you'll need to check them on your own. But we did NFS status here, CIF status, and VTL. And with that, we have completed the DDoS upgrade. We hope you found this video helpful and wish you the best of luck on your upgrade. Take care.